In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to appeal a DoorDash account deactivation. If you just received a deactivation notice, start by opening the message you got from DoorDash. This may appear as an email, an in-app notification, or both. Check your spam or promotions folders if you can't find it, and make sure you're signed into the correct account in the DoorDash app. The notice will explain why the account was deactivated and point you to the appeal option if one is available. Next, look for the Start Appeal button. You'll usually see it right inside the app banner or in the email you received. Tap or click Start Appeal or follow the link in the email to get to the appeal form. If you're prompted to verify your identity, complete that step so support can match your request to the right account. On the appeal form, provide clear supporting details and any evidence that helps explain why your account should be reactivated. Focus on facts, what happened, when it happened, and why you believe the deactivation was a mistake or can be resolved. Useful items include delivery timestamps, screenshots from recent orders, communication history with customers or support, dashcam clips when relevant, and documents that confirm your identity or the condition of an order. Keep your explanation concise, professional, and truthful. Avoid including unrelated personal information and do not share passwords or sensitive data. When you're satisfied with your explanation and attachments, submit the appeal. You'll get a confirmation that it was received. From there, wait for DoorDash support to review the case. Response times can vary, so keep an eye on your email and in-app messages. Resubmitting the same appeal multiple times can slow things down, so it's better to wait for an update unless you're asked for more information. If your account was accidentally deleted rather than deactivated, contact DoorDash support immediately for assistance. Use the help section in the app or the support site to reach an agent, explain that the deletion was unintentional, and provide any details they request so they can investigate quickly. A quick heads up, if the deactivation is due to consistently low ratings, some accounts are not eligible for reactivation even with an appeal. In those cases, the review may be declined. That's the process. Follow these steps carefully, submit clear evidence, and monitor your messages for a decision.